Stop drawing faces from a lower angle like this. All of your characters will just end up having big chins. Instead, what you're gonna wanna do is this. Add a triangle shape where the chin would usually go. Make your characters look way better. You're welcome. Stop drawing feet like this. Bro, what even are these? Anyways, instead you're gonna wanna do this. Draw a simple rectangle for the bottom of the leg. Now attach a slanted triangle to it. Now add a slanted line at the bottom of the triangle for a guideline for the toes. After this, use U-shapes for the toes. Now use a C-shape for the toenails, add a little bit of detail, and you're done. Please don't use this information for any weird stuff. You're welcome. Stop drawing lips like this. Your character will just end up looking like the guy from Monsters Inc. Instead, you're gonna want to do this. Create an M shape for the lips and then add a U shape below. Then shade the lips from dark to light. Erase some spots for the highlights and you're done. You're welcome.
How to draw realistic eyelashes. Draw U shapes under the line above. Draw soft lines following the U shape. Draw another layer and another layer. Blend with a Q-tip. Draw the hairs on the bottom line as well. Blend with a Q-tip and follow for more tutorials.